A young woman and 3 other travelers were on a journey through a large desert. Suddenly, a sandstorm hit. One traveler shouted, "We need to find shelter!" There were only 3 camels left to escape on. The 3 travelers quickly took the camels. The young woman approached them and said, "My name is Hope. Please take me with you." The first traveler said, "I'm Wealth. My camel is loaded with gold and jewels, and there's no room for you." The second traveler said, "I'm Sorrow. I'm so lost in my grief that I need to be alone." The third traveler said, "I'm Time. I must hurry and get out of this storm." The 3 travelers rode away. Would you take Hope with you? Why or why not? Tell me in the comments. As night fell, the woman began to lose hope. Suddenly, they saw a camel returning in the distance. As it got closer, "Follow me to see who comes back for Hope." The woman